Hello, students. It is Miss Ihrig, and I'm going to take you through what the expectations are for today. First, you should be watching this introductory video. You probably got this either from eClass or from Google Classroom. So we're going to watch the video first. You're going to be doing 2 Epuzzles, and you're going to be creating videos in Flipgrid. So let's first take a look. So if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to the first Epuzzle. Now, you will need to sign in. You can sign in using your Google account. And then that's how it's going to be able to record who you are. A issue is, do you want to join my class? You'll hit join. And then it comes up with the video. Now, you need to make sure that your Google account is your real name. For one of the videos, I remember to ask for your real name. For the other video, I didn't. So if you don't have a Google account that has your real name, you might need to create one. And you can just go to gmail.com to do that. Now, this is what an Epuzzle is. You can see these like green things down here. Those are questions that align to this video. So basically, let's take a look.
Hello, everyone. It is Miss Ihrig, and we're going to talk about angles in this video clip. So,
Okay, so this is how it works. You're going to listen and watch a video, and then it's going to stop all of a sudden and pop up a question. Now, you think like, oh, let me just jump ahead. Aha, can't do that. I set it up so you can't jump ahead. It's also set up to tell me how many minutes you actually watched the whole video. And if it gets stuck, you can just hit rewatch and it's going to show you that last clip again.
Hello, everyone. It is Miss Ihrig, and we're going to talk about angles in this video clip.
So then here comes the question. And so you would click like what my name is and then hit submit. And it's green, so you got it right. So you know what your score is. So you're going to go through all of this Epuzzle until the end. And look, I'm going to try to skip it. Can't skip it. It's locked. You got to do the whole thing. Okay, so that's the first thing. So after you've done the whole thing and submitted it, I'm not going to go through the whole thing now. You're going to click on the other Epuzzle. So the first Epuzzle is about circles in general. This focuses just on inscribed angles. Now, what's a little bit different is there's also these yellow things, which is where I've stopped the video and talked about it. So you're going to go through this whole thing too. Now, after you've done that, it's time for you to start making your own videos. Now, I only created one Flipgrid for this, so it's critical that you say your name and your period. For this Flipgrid, you're going to be explaining how to solve at least one of these problems. So you have to create at least a 1 minute and 15-second video. If you make more videos and it totals more than 1 minute and 15 seconds, you're going to get bonus points. I mean, if you do just my expectation, you'll still earn full credit if you do it well. But if you do it longer, you'll earn bonus points. So here's an example. You can make one video that's 1 minute and 15 seconds, or you can make 2 videos, one that's 30 seconds long and one that's 45 seconds long. So if you add 30 and 45, you get 1 minute and 15. So where do you come up with these problems? How do you do it? Oh my gosh, look what I did for you. There's all these different links. So I could click here as an example. And then here's this whole thing on circles. This is actually 25 pages long. So after you watch the videos, you'll know, for example, that the measure of a central angle is equal to the intercepted arc. So I'm going to go down here and look at, here's all these questions on central angles. So what I might do is I might take out my cell phone, have this on the computer screen, or I might take, draw it out on a piece of paper, and then I can make a video teaching someone how to do the central grid. Now, let's say you don't know how to do that, okay? Let's say you don't know how to make a flip grid. Well, I'm just gonna take a picture of this. Here we go. So this is me doing it like on a laptop. I'm gonna save my picture. You can also hit print screen. Let's put it on just plain old desktop. So now if you have a laptop, it's definitely easier, but if you have your phone, it totally works too. Don't forget the password to Flipgrid is SGHS. Actually, that's a great idea. I should put that. I'll have to remember to put that in there to remind you guys. So then I'm going to hit the plus sign and then I'm going to start recording my video. And I look sketchy right now, but that's fine. Hello, everyone. I'm recording myself. So you can use this right here for sticky notes if you're doing it on a laptop. So like you could say something like the central angle equals the intercepted arc. If you don't know what this means, don't worry about it because you're going to understand it after you do the Epuzzles, because the Epuzzles I set up to teach you. Okay, so then I can start like recording my video. Oh, I guess you can't record it from the screen, so that wouldn't make sense. But you could talk about, I could pull it up on my phone. If you're doing it from the laptop, you can have central angles, PDF, see what OC in Schools has. Okay, so I could pull this up and be like, get it so that you can see it. And then I have my laptop I'm recording from, and then I would just hit record and I'd start off like something like this. Hi, this is Miss Ihrig. I'm in your 6th period class. So you can see here that this is an example of a circle with angles. That dot in the middle tells me that it's a central angle. So if I'm trying to figure out like what the length of WV is, this arc right here, I know that the central angle is 78 degrees. So that tells me that WV is 78 degrees. If I wanted to know this one, well, this is the diameter of the circle, and I know it's a diameter because it goes straight across. So, or it's a chord that goes through the center. So I know that I have 78 and 62, and I'm trying to find this missing arc right here, VU. Well, I could do like 78 plus 62 and get 140. I know half a circle is 180 degrees, so 180 minus that 140 is 40 degrees. I went fast, but this is how you can use your cell phone and a laptop. Vice versa, you could have it up on your screen or you could draw a picture and you could use your cell phone and do Flipgrid that way too. So either way, it totally works. And then you would just submit it, you'd watch it, you'd go through, you'd take your picture. You could add your sticky notes to it. Like, yeah, I'm a very happy person right now. And then you can go from there, type your information in. So your videos have to equal at least 1 minute and 15 seconds. At least. You want bonus points? I will totally hit you up with bonus points if you do more than that. So that's pretty much the expectation for today. And I'll add a little bit notes to let you guys know what to log in and go from there. But ciao guys, have a great digital learning day. Bye.